book titled English Course from Basics to Fluency with Personality Development and Effective Communication Skills. A complete tool for English language. As we all know, that verb is the life of the sentence. Verb gives meaning to the sentence. If we want to speak meaningful sentence, we should know verbs. That's what we don't know. That's the reason we are not able to speak English fluently. The book covers all the verbs in English language with model sentences. Positive sentence, question form, negative sentence, question to the negative sentence, and then by using interrogative pronouns such as what, where, when, why, who, which, how many, etc. The book has amazing details on personality and personality development. It has chapters on effective communication skills, which you and I would love to practice in day-to-day life. You will find chapters on public speaking, group discussion, and telephonic conversation. A complete tool for English language. We have to take this book to an open place or to a ground and read loud the model sentences. Positive sentence, question form, negative sentence, question to the negative sentence, and then by using interrogative pronouns such as what, where, when, why, who, which, how many, etc. Because this is the way people speak English in the world. Many do not know how to ask questions. Here is an example for the verb has. Positive sentence. She has a house now. Question form. Does she have a house now? Negative sentence. She does not have a house now. She doesn't have a house now. Question 4. Does she not have a house now? Doesn't she have a house now? Try to ask by using interrogative pronouns. Why does she have a house now? When does she have a house? How does she have a house? Who has a house now? How many houses does she have now? What does she have now? The book gives model sentences in the columns subject, verb, object. As a result, very easy to follow and make my own sentence. For an example, instead of saying she has a house now, I started to say she has fever now. Later on, I made my own sentences. My brother has a laptop. And then I said Kerala state has 14 districts. Like this, the book covers all the verbs in English language. It is really an amazing book. I recommend this book for you. I show you how to use this book with another example. Here the verb is had. Positive sentence. You had long hair last year. Question 4. Did you have long hair last year? Negative sentence. You did not have long hair last year. You didn't have long hair last year. Question 4. Did you not have long hair last year? Didn't you have long hair last year? Try to ask by using interrogative pronouns. Why did you have long hair last year? When did you have long hair? How did you have long hair last year? Who had long hair last year? What did you have last year? There are so many occasions for us to communicate and ask questions as given above. I give you one more example for the verb is sleeping. This is present continuous tense. Positive sentence. She is sleeping now. Question 4. Is she sleeping now? Negative sentence. She is not sleeping now. She isn't sleeping now. Question 4. Is she not sleeping now? Isn't she sleeping now? Try to ask by using interrogative pronouns. Why is she sleeping now? When is she sleeping? Where is she sleeping now? How is she sleeping now? Who is sleeping now? The beauty of this book is that all the tenses touch beyond your imagination. I pick up one more verb. Had been. This is past perfect continuous tense. Positive sentence. You had been to Kuwait last year. Question 4. Had you been to Kuwait last year? Negative sentence. You had not been to Kuwait last year. You hadn't been to Kuwait last year. Question 4. Had you not been to Kuwait last year? Hadn't you been to Kuwait last year? By using interrogative pronouns. Why had you been to Kuwait last year? When had you been to Kuwait? How had you been to Kuwait last year? Who had been to Kuwait last year? How long had you been to Kuwait? I stop here giving you examples, but I assure you that this book covers all the verbs with model sentences which make the reader to follow the book easily and effectively. I remember a proverb in English. When I review this book, there is no gain without pain. I take this occasion to remind the readers about reading practice. Reading loud by shaking the throat has two advantages. 1. You get good voice. What is the asset of man or a woman? His voice, her voice. 2. You get confidence. Unless you do reading practice, you cannot expect your mouth to speak English fluently and confidently. When you read loud, you hear. It will help you to realize the mistakes. It will boost you to speak English in sentence always, gradually expanded sentences. In my opinion, everyone will have reading practice for 6 months to 1 year. Thereafter, the language will flow like a river. The very important people, VIPs in the society, know two languages nicely to communicate: their mother tongue and English. Aim high and be simple and humble. You can give this book to your wife, husband, son, daughter, grandson, granddaughter, nieces, and nephews on the occasion of their birthdays. Give this book to the outgoing students in the schools, colleges. Give this book to the teachers. An ideal spoken English book for the students from 4th to 12th class in the schools. An ideal reference book in the school, college, libraries. There are no separate books for the students from 4th to 12th class. It helps all. Let the children at young age start speaking with a sense of speaking in sentence, ask questions, etc. You can order the book with a postal address including the pin code number, and it will be sent you as registered parcel to post office.
I use this book.
I use
this book profitably.
This book helps me to improve my confidence to speak English.
Really amazing.
This book gives the result if you are ready to work hard.
Have a copy of this book. Do reading practice and then you are the master in English language.
I use this book profitably. What about you?
What about you?
I use this book. What about you?
Thank you.